In this video, we're gonna see how to add a new PO line on an existing purchase order. This Excel spreadsheet is already connected to the Oracle instance using login, and we have brought up the standard purchase order template. Let's download a list of purchase orders. We provide two download options, a download form and download via sheet. Download via sheet consists in entering criteria you want to download in the workbook. You can use criteria marked with a little arrow, row number 8. Let's highlight our criteria and use this download option. You can then clear the download criteria. In order to add a new line on these existing purchase orders, we're going to choose the upload action, update. We can either put this upload action against each row or use the default values row and default this value on all rows. We need to put a change description. We can also default this change description. Let's then create a new line, number 2, on all these POs. Let's enter the new line number for this. We can then enter all the information on this new PO line, for instance using the data forms. Let's put a different item on this new PO line. You can use the wildcard % to do a partial search or full search. We also need to enter the upload action create for all levels we want to create on this PO. You can also use all standard Excel functionality, like formula. When your dataset is ready, you can upload all. These new PO lines were successfully uploaded. They have an accepted status. They have been resubmitted for approval. This is the default value here. We can download a few of these POs again. The PO that was closed is now open. And all these POs have now a second line, line number 2.